Chuẩn bị khâu chuẩn bị làm vịt.
One of the most identifiable characteristics about food in Vietnam is how little goes to waste. Here we see Viet preparing the base of Viet Canh, a dish of raw blood famous across Vietnam. Eating this is a way to get every available calorie from an animal. Viet is a very good cook, but he is also using the freshest possible ingredients in every meal. The vegetables and herbs are from his own garden, and the free-range duck has lived the best life a duck could live, before having one bad day.
Bên nhà. Vịt này là chuẩn vịt bầu lắm thượng ấy. Vịt thả suối, không phải vịt nhốt. Nguồn nước tự nhiên luôn, nước suối. Xong chủ yếu là ăn ốc suối ấy. Ăn rêu đá.
Last warning to look away before the duck meets his maker.
Tay trái phải chọc tiết chuẩn nhỉ.
Of course, when eating raw blood, there is a risk of parasites, so this dish is always eaten with a few shots of strong wine before and after.
Ngon không? Tuyệt vời.
Many of us city dwellers will never be as close to a single meal as Viet is with every bite he takes. If he wants veggies, he needs to pick them. If he wants meat, well, you've seen what he has to do. Like any good chef, Viet wants his flavors kept secret. But since cooking is his passion, anyone who stays with him at his homestay can enjoy a dinner of the best duck in the world. In my house, this is a sensitive topic, since my mother-in-law takes great pride in her cooking. But as far as duck goes, I've never had anything that could possibly equal the juicy, perfectly smoked flavor of Viet's grilled duck.
Ok, xong rồi. Xin mời.